Hey, Lou and team, what are your thoughts on the current activity in the space industry, and do you have any desire to go into space yourself? Wow, that's a space industry cool, obviously, SpaceX. I mean, Elon is now landing rockets on boats, and that's all super futuristic. And they're getting closer. That's for sure. It's amazing to see the progress they're having, especially since it appears that NASA is not really doing what they used to do. I think that their funding structure is a little different than it was during the space race. But it's a weird thing, space, isn't it? I mean, no one knows what's out there. So what are we doing exactly? What do we do when we get there? I know Elon Musk wants to colonize Mars. I'm not prepared to go to Mars. You'll go? You don't come back. You realize? If you go, you don't come back. You're sitting there petting Casper. What happens to him? Does he go too? He comes, eh? Wow, that's weird. Okay, so both of you are prepared to just bounce. Wow, man, I like Earth. You never come back. You're going to be you have to be in some sort of dome. There's no atmosphere or whatever. It's not, you can't breathe. Ping pong on Mars. You know what? If that's your thing, I don't want to go. To answer your question, I don't want to go. But I think it should be explored. I don't think we should give up on it. I'm glad that Elon Musk is doing what he's doing. It seems like, I mean, I didn't expect the private sector. It just didn't cross my mind back in the day that space exploration, in the future was going to be emerging on behalf of the private sector, that private companies would be the ones doing it, and then maybe eventually even offering up exploration. There was that other one. Was it Richard Branson, the one where you could actually go for a flight, sort of just leave Earth's atmosphere and then come drop back down? The idea of recreational space travel, that's a wild concept. You jump up, you go back down. I mean, I guess it would be amazing, but it's tough because it's not a shared experience. So you come back down here and you're like, yeah, it was amazing. And everyone's like, okay, cool. They can't have the experience with you. It's like it comes down to this thing of things are a lot more fun when you can do it with somebody else. So unless you got all your people, all your family and friends tripping out to Mars with you, I'm not sure how cool that's going to be when you're on week 6 on Mars with a bunch of randoms. Maybe you like them, maybe you don't. I don't know. Is there a police force? You see? It's going to be you and the whack jobs up there, Jack. The first, the early adopters. You know what? It's cool. Anyway, look, he put a Tesla up in space. That's pretty wild. Imagine all the stuff floating around up there. Human beings, we're crazy. We're unbelievable. It's cool, though. I like it. I'm down.